Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your E-Class supports wired or wireless Apple CarPlay. This determines whether you use a USB Lightning cable or pair via Bluetooth. Once done, unlock your iPhone and enable Siri, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi so the system can authenticate. Plug the cable into the dedicated USB port labeled with a smartphone icon or the media port. Make sure the car is in park and the Coleman screen is active. This prepares the head unit to detect your device. Once the car detects your iPhone, you'll see an Apple CarPlay prompt on the phone and the Coleman display. Accept it on the phone and select Apple CarPlay on the head unit. If prompted, choose to allow CarPlay while the phone is locked so it reconnects automatically. Next, configure audio source and navigation routing. Set iPhone as the default media device if needed. Make sure Siri is active because CarPlay relies on voice commands for calls, messages, and navigation while driving. Finish by testing core functions. Start navigation in Maps, make a test call, and play music to confirm CarPlay mirrors to the Coleman screen. If something fails, restart your iPhone and cycle the car's ignition. This clears temporary USB or Bluetooth hiccups. If wired connection is unreliable, swap in an Apple-certified Lightning cable and try other USB ports. If wireless drops, update your phone and the car's firmware. Outdated software is the most common cause of intermittent CarPlay issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.